Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this L is in your Laredo trim level, so it does have tons of great features packed into it. It is in your black paint finish, accented by your chrome badging across the unit. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there. You also do have your backup camera equipped back there, power lift gate. So you can see with that third row up in the back there, you do still get a decent amount of cargo room back there. That third row does fold down as well to give you a little bit more space when those seats aren't needed. Again, just your power lift gate option. Now the Jeep Grand Cherokee L does also offer great 4x4 capabilities, so it makes a great vehicle year-round. So this unit can sit up to 7 passengers with that third row equipped on the Jeep Grand Cherokee L model. So you can see in the second row there, tons of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. So you can get 3 passengers in that second row and 2 in the back row. You can see in the back row here, or second row, sorry, you do have your climate control options back there, a few media port hookups as well just down below. Up front you do have your touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. So you do of course have access to all your audio media controls built in there. Climate control options also accessible in through there. You do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, your Bluetooth capabilities, access to some of the settings in through there, and of course your apps. Just below that again you have access to some of your basic climate control options, audio media controls built in through there as well. Down in through your center console area, your USB port hookups back there, your wireless charger is also there as well. You can see your push button start just in behind there, so the key fob for the Jeep right here. Remote start's included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options in on there. You do have adaptive cruise control equipped as well. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side, in behind the steering wheel. Access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. You can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee L has a lot of great features packed into it. If you're looking for that Jeep Grand Cherokee with that third row option, this L could be for you. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.